all seen those ads popping up in our feeds. They promise a beach-ready bronze without ever stepping foot into the sun. It sounds like a dream. Just slap a little sticker on your arm and wait for the magic to happen. This is the core promise behind the viral tanning patch from a brand called Luxeveria. They call it the Sun Free Glow patch. It claims to be this clean, super easy alternative to messy lotions and orange-tinted sprays. But here's the thing that really gets me. When you actually dig into the product description, everything gets very fuzzy. The company stays incredibly vague about the actual mechanism at play here. How does a simple patch change the color of your skin? If you look at the ingredient list, you see basic stuff. We are talking about oils and glycerin. These are standard cosmetic staples. They are great for moisturizing your skin. They make things feel soft, but they are not exactly known for dramatic, long-term skin darkening. The marketing language is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. They use words like radiant, effortless, and sun-kissed. It is all about the lifestyle. It is about the vibe. But where is the data? There is a glaring lack of independent clinical evidence to back up these bold claims of a total glow transformation. Most of what you see online is perception-based. That means people feel like they look better because their skin is more hydrated. Smooth skin reflects light better. It looks healthier. That is not the same thing as a real tan. You also have to look at the sales tactics. The aggressive discounts and constant sale banners are classic red flags. They want you to buy now before you think too hard about the science. Then there is the issue of reviews. Most of the glowing feedback is hosted right on their own website. That makes it hard to trust the authenticity of the results. Independent sources are few and far between. Many of these wellness patches use trendy buzzwords. They talk about nanotechnology or advanced delivery systems. Sounds high-tech. It sounds expensive. But without published evidence, it is just marketing fluff. This does not mean the product is a total fake. It is a real physical item with real ingredients. If you use it, you might actually like how your skin feels. Improved hydration can genuinely make you look more vibrant. But if you are expecting a deep bronzing effect, you are setting yourself up for a letdown. A patch just cannot do what professional tanning treatments or even high-quality self-tanners do. There is no magic shortcut here. Everyone's skin reacts differently. If you have sensitive skin, be careful. Even simple oils can cause a reaction. The biggest risk here is not necessarily a scam. It is the gap between the hype and the reality. It feels more like a trendy accessory than a skincare breakthrough. If you want to try it for the novelty, go for it. Just keep your expectations grounded. Real beauty rarely comes from a sticker. It comes from consistent care. This patch is just another lesson in questioning the viral trends that promise the world for 20 bucks. You are paying for a feeling, not a biological change. If you are okay with that, then the product is harmless. But if you want real results, you might want to look elsewhere. The glow is likely just in the hydration, not in the pigment. Keep your eyes open for these marketing traps. They are everywhere these days. They rely on our desire for quick fixes. But your skin deserves better than just a clever sticker. Be skeptical. Be smart. And always look past the shiny packaging before you hit that buy button. It is your money and your skin on the line.